everybody, it's Fitz back here with another video. I just don't know what I'm gonna do, to be completely honest. I saw my last video, I got my wheels back. I don't know if when they put the wheels back on the car, if they put the leaky wheel, the front left, back on the front left or not. Whatever one on the front left right now is fine. And then we come over to the other side and you can see, well, it's flat. I don't know what's going on. I've driven the car now for about 3 days. I don't know if I have a nail in the tire. I don't know if it's still leaking from the seal. I don't know if it's leaking from the valve stem. I just don't know is the issue. I'm really considering just selling the wheels. I paid a lot of money for the wheels. I've gone through multiple sets of tires and different things trying to get the wheels fixed, and it's just not working. I really don't want to give up on them at this point, but I don't know what else to do at the moment. This is where we are tonight. So I brought this wheel into the garage. I was looking it over. I don't see any nails or anything in any of the tread. Both beads looked fine. So I was like, you know what? Let me check the valve stem here. And it is just completely loose. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably hear it moving, and it's just completely loose. Again, I don't know if this is a wheel that was resealed and put the new backing of the valve stem on, or not, if this is another one. Pretty sure it's the valve stem. I don't think it's the tire or the bead or the seal, hopefully. So I don't know, guys. We'll get it figured out. So I have Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning and one leaky wheel. We're gonna try to do something about it tonight. I love that sound. I love the metal wheel on the ground sound. One leaky valve stem, one bottle of caulk. So, if you guys are smart enough to put 2 and 2 together here, which I believe you are, we're gonna caulk the valve stem, fill it up tomorrow morning, and see how this works. Now, whether this will work or not, I have no idea. But worst case, I give it to Tommy and be like, dude, I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know what happened. And then he reseals it and puts the new backing of the valve stem in, and then we're actually good to go. But I think this should work. It says it takes, holy shit, it's supposed to last 40 years. Is that right? 40 YR, paint in 30 minutes, waterproof seal, shrinks, adheres to a wide variety of surfaces. So I don't know what else I would need. But anyways, this is kind of silly. But like, I'm actually hoping for this to work. So I'll update you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's about 6:45. This is ridiculous. But all the sealant's dry. I gotta get some gas, and then we'll head to Sheets, and then see if this thing decides to hold air, and head out and meet up with Danny. Let's see if this works. clip you guys saw of me putting the coins in, that machine actually turned out to be broken. I went to Cars and Coffee, went to Sheets, and filled my tire up with air. I don't know if it's leaking or not yet. We're about to find out. I'm gonna go get soapy water, spray it on the valve stem, and see if we have any bubbles. I didn't hear anything when I was putting air in it, so fingers crossed, but we'll see here in just a second. Valve stem is right there. Let's see what we got. I mean, I don't see anything. I really don't see anything. So I don't know. You guys think we should put it on? I think that's our only option now, is to put it on. Kind of surprised this is working already. I did set it at 50 when I went to Sheets, but I don't know what my little tire pressure gauge will read. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it right now, and then check it when it's on the car, I guess. Yeah, never mind, it's not working. Well, it looks like the wheel's going back to Tommy. Let's go check and see if my valve stem is here yet. Nothing. 3-piece wheels suck, man. Welcome back. So, in an effort to go lower, I'm gonna tuck in the rear. So, my plan here is to jack it up, heat this rear panel, phone book it, and then lower the car some more. So one reason that I'm tucking is because on this lip here, I actually hit it on the fender, and we can't have that. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna try this. I might mess around a little bit with it. I don't know if I'm gonna go through with it, but I really want to tuck just a little bit of tuck without adding too much camber. I think I have like 3.5, 4 degrees in the rear. So we're gonna see what we can do tonight and go from there. So worst case here, I just raised it up and it's rolled just a little bit to where when I hit a bump, my rear lips don't hit the fender. So we have a way out if we need it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up these things. And they have already been rolled in the past, but they need to be cold, so. I think that's working pretty well. I don't really. I'm not trying to set this on fire here. It's still really hot. That's working pretty well. Alright, I'm going to do this a couple more times and then come back with y'all with an update. Well, that didn't work, clearly. So you guys can see because I'm still here and my car's not tucking. So, I'm still waiting to fix my wheel. My valve stem did come in today. I have T-minus, what's day, like the 13th of July. 13th of July, I still have till August 2nd. Till I'm going to StansCon. So I don't know if I'll end up tucking. I really just want to fix my wheel. That's all. I just want to fix it. But valve stem came in today. I should be dropping off the wheel to Tommy here soon. And then I'm going to have him do the same thing to this wheel as he did to the other side. So yeah, we're really close. Really close. Got to fix the exhaust rattle. I talked to Henry's Muffler Shop and we're going to do that soon. They cover it for free for the lifetime of the car. Might get a little blast pipe boy coming out of the exhaust. Other than that, we're good. So fingers crossed. Hopefully the next time you guys see me, it'll be fixed.